Hi, I'm Cameron with Fiberglass, Florida. Today I'm going to go over a few of our most common fillers, and I'm going to go through them all and explain what their uses are and how you can use them in your project at home. First is Aerosil. It's a Fume Silica. It goes by a couple different names. Aerosil is the name brand that we carry. Some people might call it Cabasil, is really common. Aerosol, you mix that with resin and it'll make like a really nice glue. It'll be a paste that you can use to bond core material together, laminate to laminate, that kind of thing. Q-Cell is a popular brand of microspheres that we carry. It's very common in the marine industry. You mix it with polyester or epoxy resins, and it makes like a nice fairing mud. It's not something that you'd layer up real thick or fill a big hole with, but it's something you'd use to make the surface fair. So you throw a big glob down on the boat and spread it out, relatively thin, less than 1/4 of an inch is ideal. This is milled fibers. It's ground fiberglass. It's ground really fine. This would be a good option if you're filling holes or gouges in the side of the boat, maybe prior to using your resin mixed up with the Q-Cell. It'll be strong, it gives the resin a nice tensile strength, it's not going to shrink too much, and it's just a good choice for that kind of application. Our last one here is Strand. It's actually fiberglass that's cut. This is a really good option mixed with polyester epoxy resin into filling like crevices, maybe someplace where you can't get a glass roller. You can mix this up, pack it in there, and it'll give you some good tensile strength and it'll make a really strong putty. So we're gonna go ahead and mix them up and I'll show you the process. You need to be wearing some inhalation protection. Keep your lungs as safe as you can. This is a discount dust mask that we carry. It's only $11.50 for a whole box of these guys, so get them while you can. See how nice and fine these little poofs are? So you can sand that and it just sands right away because these little spheres are actually hollow. But see, really, in actuality, like when I'm making a fairing putty, like what this is made for, I would do this, I'd get it to like here, then I'd dump in some of this, and then I would add some gel coat, just a little bit of gel coat and a little bit of wax solution. That makes the best little fairing compound ever. Mill fibers are like a Coke bottle. They turn green. enjoyed it and learned something today, like this video, leave us a comment, let us know what you want to see next.